And so what the research is suggesting these days is that through decades of consumption of a processed food diet, our species of humans is losing species of bacteria because we as humans have been consuming too many processed foods for too long. So we're losing permanently many microbial populations that other hunter-gatherer cultures will have been able to sustain and maintain through, number one, dietary diversity, and number two, of course, not using procedures such as antibiotic therapy and cesarean section, which changes drastically the gut microbiome. Again, let's look at a few excerpts from this publication before we move on. Before this person started the fast food diet, there were about 3,500 bacterial species in his gut, dominated by a type called Firmicutes that we'll talk about later. Once he was on the processed food diet, he rapidly lost 1,300 species of bacteria. So that's 1,300 species of bacteria were lost in just about 10 days after switching to a processed food diet. So you can see here he says, my gut was dominated by a different group called Bacteroidetes. So in this case, he lost Firmicutes and gained Bacteroidetes.